I think for myself, firstly, to get back into English football is great. It's obviously what I've wanted to do, and to be honest, I've had opportunities over the last 4 or 6 weeks at other clubs as well to do that. But I think since speaking to Birmingham and seeing the ambitions of the club, where they want to go, where they want to get to, excited me, and I want to be successful. It's clear that the club want to be successful, and
Wayne Rooney is a former star of the Manchester United Football Club, Everton, and his other, of course, the many clubs in England, and who is just now the head coach of the Birmingham City Football Club, was speaking after being given those authority, and in fact he says he has a good work to prove people on, as he believes that he has ability, he has also capacity to win the matches of the Premier League, and then another he said that it's just a matter of time, just a matter of trust, and people of Birmingham Football Club should trust him, as he can take the team to the next stage. In fact, he also agrees that he is going to face a great team, going to face, of course, fantastic teams, and another. He uses also to say that it's a matter of time, matter of believing him, as if he is going to